We need to verify the trench depth against the model.
The laser scan shows a discrepancy right here.
We need to adjust the rebar placement here immediately. Ensure the scaffolding is secure before the next pour.
Yes, engineer.
Here you go, brother. Drink well.
Thank you kindly. It smells wonderful.
Thank you both for your hard work today.
Okay, hoist the load now. Keep it clear of the scaffolding. I'm showing green. Proceed with the lift.
Where desert meets sea.
سبحان ربي الأعلى الله أكبر رب اغفر لي الله أكبر.
The torque on this cutter head is immense, so watch the pressure gauges closely.
Got it. Ready when you are.
All right, team, swinging the load towards the east foundation now. Keep the area clear below.
We need a few more degrees southeast.
Copy that. Applying torque now.
Your pressure is a little high. Make sure you're staying hydrated out there. You can drink this now.
All right, thanks, Doc. I appreciate it.
Okay, bring it down slow. Copy that. Watching the guidepost. Clear on this side. Keep it moving, keep it moving. Watch your left side. Go, go, go.
Notice how the rebar is structured here to handle the seismic load. This is truly an incredible feat of engineering.
Lunch rush in 5 minutes. Make sure the lines are ready. Move the chicken out now.
As you can see, the foundation is progressing rapidly. We are currently 3 months ahead of schedule.
That is excellent news. Are the projections for the residential towers still on track?
All right, everyone, lean back on 3. 1, 2, 3, heave. Keep it moving.
We're finalizing the biophilic design for Sector 4. The vertical gardens need to integrate seamlessly with the transit layers.
All right, easy now. Take the slack.
Slack taken.
Watch the swing on the east side.
You really let it get this flat, didn't you?
Hey, it wasn't my fault the road attacked the tire. Come on, let's get this done.